stuck on the Windows 11 login screen and can't get in? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset Windows 11 without needing to log in. Perfect. If you forgot your password or your PC is acting up, let's get started. Let us first access the advanced startup. To do that, on the login screen, click the power icon, bottom right. Then hold the Shift key and click Restart. Your PC will boot into advanced startup. Once you're in the recovery environment, click on Troubleshoot, then select Reset this PC. Here, you'll get two choices. Keep My Files, which removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Remove Everything, which completely wipes the system and reinstalls Windows. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. Cloud Download downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft. Local reinstall uses the existing files on your PC. If you have a fast and stable internet connection, Cloud Download is recommended. Once you select your option, Windows will now prepare for reset. Just click Next, then confirm by clicking Reset. This process can take from 30 minutes to over an hour, depending on your system and reset option. And that's it. Your PC will now reset and reinstall Windows 11 from scratch. No login required. Let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.